I'm really very happy to speak about the team's massive unparalleled achievement of reaching 15 million man hours without LTI. By all standards, this is no small achievement, and especially on a challenging project that has got 4,500 people, extremely challenging environment. There were many challenges since we began this project, but I'm so glad to mention here that things happened through a system here. Safety department, who primarily has a responsibility to see that the team members, however big or small the numbers may be, are trained, educated, repeatedly spoken to about the observations that we get, the knowledge of the things that those happen unfortunately around these premises or in the premises with other agencies working here. So I'm really happy that they came up with a plan to ensure that we don't miss on this, and there can't be a bigger disappointment on a project, however small or big by value it may be, that you cause an injury to somebody. We cannot excuse ourselves even by telling that, oh, he didn't know the job enough or how to do that safely. When we employ a person, we assume that responsibility onto ourselves to ensure that whatever required level of training and type of training is there, we impart it to them. We keep on monitoring it. There are several tools that the team had planned and implemented, like a routine toolbox talk. It is a very focused program of barely 15 minutes, but done religiously, wherein routine observations are talked about. Information which workers must know are also shared with them. There are also classroom trainings, on-site trainings. There is a whole bunch of things that are done here as a part of system, as a part of critical requirement. It is very easy to say that Chemitech achieved 15 million on this project, but there is lot of sweat and efforts of the entire team here. I ideally should attribute this success to the team members of safety, but here we tried to do even better. That safety should have the role of surveillance, and senior team members, like there are resident construction managers, site supervisors, they have to take the lead in assuring to management that we are doing the way they are supposed to be. This really worked very well. Every month there are motivational program arranged where people are encouraged to speak, and who qualifies for that speaking is literally everybody. Unlike many other organizations, this talking to a huge gathering every month is not limited to very senior people who barely know. That is my personal feeling, that they barely know what are the real challenges. So we encourage the team members, very senior team members who have about 20-25 years of experience, to take charge of that. That they are the people who watch things happening in the site. They know where the inefficiencies or there is opportunity to improvement is there. Well, apart from this, it will be incomplete statement if I say that there is a very strong willingness at all levels. It starts from the management, very senior management, as a company policy. That what really management wants. Management wants to focus only on the progress and the completion and the monetary part, or they really care for the people's well-being. Here, I'm very proud saying that first it comes from the topmost management, that they demand the safe working environment, and we at site, through the plans and the implementation schedules, we ensured that those plans are put into reality in real terms. We also are very proud to mention here that nothing on this project, whenever it comes to critical functions like safety, no compromise, can't compromise it. Irrespective of the nationality or the position the employee is in, it doesn't make any difference. Nobody is outside the coverage of this particular aspect of execution. Everybody has to fall in line. Apart from this, there are several things which I believe are unique to this team here. Every worker is openly, boldly authorized to say no in case he believes through his training imparted that he is not asked to do a safe job, or the tools or the environment that he is being asked to work in are not really safe. And it sounds little odd that a project director is saying these things, but this really has paid us off very big profits. Today this celebration also is announcement of the fact that we did not lose not only the person's health or his well-being, but we saved enormously. Proudly puts Chemitech into a bracket of very professional companies who achieved 15 million man-hours without LTI. I believe everybody will agree it's no small achievement, and for that, if anyone has to be thanked, I will first choose my smallest worker in the site and the management and rest of the team members here. It's all driven jointly. Thank you very much.